Yun ang scallion, ano?
Yun agad oh.
Ooh. Hi, one black sugar. Wow.
You know.
Cheers. This is Shilin
So,
Night
What?
Market.
why Shilin is famous?
It has different food varieties.
Shilin.
Shilin.
Shilin! Dahil pinipilahan to. Anong meron dito?
Sinipin nga natin.
May pinipilahan.
Is it the frog?
Ayan.
That's a very big chicken.
Very large. Ooh! Laki ah.
Siguro mga dalawang, isang strip.
Ano yan? 95?
95, yeah.
Unay?
It's XXL.
95. Tapos ganun kalaki. Eh, kaya pala siya pinipilahan. No?
Hi, one black sugar pearl. Yeah. Can you lessen the sugar? Is it okay?
Okay.
That's 60, right?
Brown sugar, our first official milk tea. Scallop. Garlic prawn. Yun ang mga tumatawag sa akin.
Lemon salmon, Iceland halibut,
Uy, my
scallion,
goodness.
oyster.
Satay crab meat? Saan ka naman nakakita nun?
Oh, that's what we have to try.
I want to try this satay crab meat. Wow, let's try that.
Yeah, but how do we get a seat? How do we get a seat? Line? Okay. We are in line now. 1, 2. Jumbo.
Uy.
Jumbo
Grabe
sausage.
naman.
What is that?
Jumbo sausage. Ito yun. Nakita natin.
Yun nandun. Parang
Yeah.
ganun.
Magkano yun?
60?
60. Not bad.
This one is
Ano naman to?
seafoods, noodles.
Seafoods din.
Braised-
Il ba yun?
Yeah,
Oo nga,
il.
il nga.
Sama? Clams. So, puro seafood, oh.
Bakit lahat mukhang masarap?
Mga ganun, oh. Dahil pa.
Ha? Ano naman to? Craft Young. Beer.
Yeah, those are craft beers.
Pwede i-try?
Yeah.
Wala na ba?
Gusto ko yung kain ni Kuya.
Ano yun?
Ito yung stinky tofu. Gusto mo? Crispy fried stinky.
Okay.
This is where... Hindi naman natin kinaubusin.
Yeah. So this is the crispy fried stinky tofu.
Stinky fried... Oh, there's cabbage. Alright.
Thank you so much.
I wonder why they call it stinky. Does it smell...
I can smell it. Something
smell-
stinky. Is it stinky? The taste is.
Taste is okay. The smell, I can't smell it. I
Ako,
can
amoy
smell
na amoy ko yung smell
the
eh.
super stink.
I can understand why it's stinky. Stinky siya. For me, stinky siya.
Stinky siya, pero hindi siya yung... Hindi ko kayang isubo.
Ah,
Or baka dahil may
barado.
inflamed. Okay, so you wanna walk?
Tuloy ang ligaya.
Cuttlefish.
Huh?
This one. What's this one? Cheese shrimp egg. 100. What's the best seller? Teriyaki. Ready to die. So it says it has cheese, shrimp, and egg. So let's try it. Uy. Teka, kinakamay yata dapat to.
Ba, napadilat. Napadilat, chef. Sarap.
I have to try it.
Ang sarap, my goodness. Bakit ang sarap?
100.
So, kung i-describe ko siya, egg, na nilagay ng shrimp, pero yung flavor, ang sarap. Maybe it's the teriyaki sauce.
It's a combination of the egg, the cheese, and the...
Oo. Tsaka yung teriyaki sauce. Approve.
So, nagpapanggap siyang kailangan i-stick.
Pwedeng kamay na lang.
Kainin ko na to. Sa'yo na yan.
Ubo. So far, ang sasarap ng pagkain.
Ayun pa. Ano yun? Smoky.
How much? 100?
What is this? King crab?
Yung laman ng ano? Yung crab. Yung ganun.
Wanna try?
Sige, let's try.
80? May 100, may 150. May 80, 150.
Bilan tayo sa 80 lang. So, this is king crab. Para galing dun sa crab na.
What sauce do you want? Which is the best? Number one. Okay. Salt and pepper king crab legs.
You know, tunay. Tunay na crab.
Tunay na crab legs.
Galing dito. Tapos,
Cute. This is what it looks like. First bite. Ang init.
sarap. Sarap. Dumilat na. Pag dumilat yung chef, sabihin masarap.
It's hot but it's masarap.
Yan. Okay. Subo.
What can you say about it? What can you say about it?
Sarap.
Ang sarap. Can you see that real crab meat in there?
Yes. This is the peanut ice cream roll.
Mamaya. Dessert eh.
Later na lang or ngayon na?
Later na lang. Dessert kasi. But that's how they do it. You shave yung sa Tagaytay, yung bilog. Yung nut na may asukal.
Wow. Tama ba yan? Nakikita mo ba yan?
Kitang-kita ko. Mamaya yan sa akin.
Babalikan ka namin. Meron daw siyang gustong itry na oyster. Saan, chef? Ang laki naman yan.
Ewan. It's so expensive too.
Magkano?
$6.50.
Medyo pricey lang na.
Yeah.
Pricey.
Yung gusto mo na scallop?
Sige.
100 isa?
Sige.
This one?
Isa lang.
Want a scallop?
Yeah. This
One.
What order? I get one.
Japanese oysters. 400 a piece.
Okay.
And a lobster half. This one.
This is 500.
Naghahanap ako pero
Actually,
walang...
hirap makahanap ng basurahan. Kanina pa.
Walang
Ay,
basurahan pero wala rin masyadong trash. Titigin ba tayo?
Dalawa tindahan ni ate.
Ay!
Ayan no, siya din doon sa Angus beef. Tapos, siya din dito. Ay, kuracha si ate.
No touch. It's a very hot.
Alright. Thank you so much. See, it's boiling.
Oh, wow. It's boiling.
Don't touch. No touch. It's...
Ang bango, grabe.
This is a scallop, no? You. So juicy, oh.
Sarap.
Totoo ba to?
Yes.
A quick bite.
Begin! Oh my goodness.
Subo ko na.
Wow. So,
Masarap siya kasi hindi siya masyadong
sabi mo?
maalat na cheese.
Sarap.
Gusto ko imude.
Gusto mo himura.
No more. One only. What do you call that?
Spicy, okay.
Pork shashlik. Pork shashlik.
Okay.
Ooh. Ang laki.
Init. Pero anong lasa?
Not too tasty.
Anong pork siya? Laman?
Naman. Ano taba?
Hindi siya laman loob or something.
No.
Sure?
Yes. And
Pabay-
it has scallions inside.
Okay. Sige, I'll try one bite. Yeah, sarap. Okay siya. May dalawa pa. That's all yours.
One
Peanut ice cream roll.
with shaved
Shaved
peanut.
Shaved peanut.
Peanut brittle.
Yeah, peanut butter.
Pero
Peanut
tawag
butter.
dyan sa Tagaytay.
May tawag dyan sa atin. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag.
Kita mo yan. More. More.
You know.
Baka taro.
Taro and peanut. Oo nga naman.
Mm. Okay. It.
Yo, go!
We're now trying the
Most awaited.
famous peanut ice cream roll here in Taiwan. So, nagat na ako.
Go. Taro and peanut. With some leaves. Ano nga yung leaves?
Ano?
Anong leaves? How was it? Uy, dumidilat. Dumidilat si chef.
Matamis pero masarap.
Let's try this. Pero masarap.
Nanirap sa apa.
Nirap sa apa. Apa
Na
yan, di ba?
may... Apa, yeah. Lumpia. Lumpia wrapper.
Tapos, dahil dun sa leaves, anong leaves yan? Parang cilantro?
Celery yata.
Celery?
Yung pang... Masarap yung crunch ng peanut brittle.
Dinala namin si Balls nito, pasalubong. Yan. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much.
Kubos, you have so many.
Pasalubong na kay Balls.
This is for a very, very big dog. Vino boy.
Okay, B.
Ito nga yung nakita ko, is sniffer dog eh.
Yan na kaming pasalubong kay Balls.
那其实污染很少，但是起码
Uy, nauha.
做得动，你这么弄话会阿龙做得动。他老公也要一直在要。
Okay, Chilin Market. Thank you for the night.
Ay, yung tatlo ko nga, yung shrimp with egg and cheese. And next yung, ano na, yung ice cream sa kanya. Top 3 ko. Kasi parang may dessert naman.
Ako top ko yung yung shrimp.
Hmm.
Yung may teriyaki. Tsaka si king crab. Pero mahilig tayo dyan. Sarap. Pero in general, masasarap yung food. Masasabi kong quality ng
Everything,
food.
yeah.
Yung presyo, okay din. Value for money, okay. So, yes, worth it. Worth visiting Shilin Market. So, see you tomorrow, guys. And this is the end of our day 1.
And that is
Ending in Shilin.
there.
Shilin Market.